Today, I'm going to show you how to install a Coverland Premium Seat Cover set on a 2022 Toyota Tacoma double cab. I'll show you what comes in the box, how to install each part, and give you tips for the best possible fit. Inside your kit, you get everything you need for each seat. Each set includes seat cushion cover, backrest cover, headrest cover, fitting knife, straps, chucks, and elastic buckles. We'll start with the front seats. Front seat cushions. 1. Prep chucks and hooks. First, we add the chucks so the cover does not slide. Chucks are flat plastic clips. They go in the crack between the seat back and the seat bottom. Flip the cushion cover over. You will see the elastic straps. For each strap, put the strap through the chuck. Twist so it locks. You should have 2 chucks on the cushion cover. If you install more cushions, each cushion gets chucks. Now look at the front strap of the cover. Your kit has either D-rings or hooks. These attach to the metal bar under the seat. To attach the metal hook, pull the elastic band through the bottom of the hook. Wrap around and tighten. If your seat covers include D-rings, they're even easier to install. Just open the ring and slide the elastic onto it. 2. Slide the cover on. Slide the cushion cover onto the seat bottom. Center it so both sides match. 3. Push chucks in plus attach hooks. Feed the chuck straps down into the seat crack between seat back and seat bottom. Push the chucks down until they feel tight. Twist the chuck 90 degrees inside for extra safety. Pull the front straps down and connect the hooks or D-rings to the metal parts under the seat. 4. Pull front edge tight. Stretch the front elastic lip around the seat front. Make it tight for a factory look. 5. Tuck the sides. Use the fitting knife to tuck the cover edges into the gaps by the plastic trim. This makes it look clean. 6. Repeat other front seat. Repeat steps on the other front seat cushion, then move on. Front backrest plus headrest. 1. Add chucks. Flip the backrest cover over. Find 2 elastic straps. Add 2 chucks. 2. Open Velcro. Open the top Velcro flaps. 3. Slide cover on. Slide the backrest cover on like a shirt. Pull down slowly. Keep it centered. Smooth it with your hands. Keep it flat and tight. 4. Push chucks into seat gap. Push the chuck straps into the crack between the backrest and the cushion. Push until locked. 5. Close top Velcro. Close the Velcro at the top. 6. Install headrest cover. Slide the headrest cover on. Close the Velcro under it. Straighten and smooth. 7. Repeat passenger seat. Repeat all the steps for the other front seat. Rear seat cushions. 1. Start one side. Start with the driver's side rear seat. Slide your cover over the cushion. Make it centered. Hold to the corners, flat on the top. 2. Lift and fold cushion forward. Pull up the back edge of the rear seat cushion. 3. Buckle top straps first. Wrap the top side straps around the back. Feed the straps through the elastic loops and buckle them. 4. Buckle bottom straps. Do the same for the lower straps and pull snug. 5. Fold cushion down. Fold cushion back down and press until it locks. This tightens the cover. 6. Repeat the other side. Repeat the process on the passenger side. Rear backrest plus headrests. Part 1. Driver's side rear backrest. 1. Open top Velcro straps. Undo the Velcro straps at the top. 2. Slide the cover on. Lift the rear seat cushions again. Fold the backrest forward a bit. Slide the cover on like a shirt. Pull it down slowly. Keep it centered, smooth it, keep it flat. 3. Close top Velcro. Fasten the top Velcro straps inward. 4. Buckle side straps. Start with the straps near the headrest. Wrap around, run through the loops, buckle, and pull snug. Do the same with the lower straps. 5. Put the backrest upright. Lift your backrest upright. Part 2. Passenger side rear backrest. Seatbelt side. 1. Open all Velcro. Open the Velcro straps on the top and back of the cover. 2. Make room for the seatbelt. Pull the seatbelt forward a little so it is not blocked by the cover. Slide the cover down, fold the backrest halfway if needed. Keep it centered, smooth, and flat. 3. Wrap top edge. Wrap the cover over the top edge, raising the headrests if needed. 4. Close Velcro. Close all the Velcro fasteners. 5. Buckle straps. Start near the headrest. Run the buckle through the top elastic bands. Buckle in the center. Pull snug and repeat for lower buckles. 6. Backrest upright. Lift the backrest upright. Push the chucks into the gap until they're tight. Final step, rear headrests. Slide on the 3 headrest covers for your rear seats and Velcro them closed. You're all finished. Now, your Tacoma's ready for the road. Coverland seat covers are a simple way to protect your interior while adding comfort and style to every drive. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more installation tips and product guides.